Hello everyone, welcome to you all, and in this video I will show you how to export phone contacts on Google Contacts. So let's begin our video. So first of all you need to go your phone contacts and then go to contacts, and there have an option on the top right corner three dot option. So select it, and after that you get a option import export contacts. So just select it, and then you can find export to storage. So just select export to storage, and after that you need to tap OK. That's it. Then notified you your all contacts already exported on your storage. So I'm gonna show you on your storage. Go to my file manage, and then go to file manage and go to storage, internal storage, and scroll down, and there you can see it's already exported your phone contacts on your file manager. So now you need to backup on your Google Contacts. So what should you do? Simply go your Chrome, and then go to search bar and type google.com, then search it, and there you can see it's loading. And after that open this page, you can get option some dot here option, menu option. So just tap it, and after that you can see a option contacts. Here you can see, just select it, and after that it's now loading a new page, and there have a option import contacts. Just select on this import contacts, and then there have a option select file. So after that you need to select it, and then there have a option file, and go to menu bar, and then you go to file manage and go internal storage, and scroll down. You need to find out this contacts which one you already export. There you can see, just select it, and then OK. Then there you can see file already selected. Then you can tap import. That's it. There you can see file already exporting. That's it. Now here you can see your all contacts already backup on your Google Contacts. So guys, in this way you can make or you can backup or your phone contacts on Google Contacts very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like. Thank you everyone.